boy Don. We back again for another video, son. I'm not gonna lie, bro. My stomach rumbling, boy, rumbling tummy right now. So you know what I'm saying. So today's, man, I know y'all read the title. I know you read the title. Bang bang shrimp, son. You know what I'm saying. So about this meal, bro. Some probably like confused, and some like, oh, I know what that is. This dish, it got like multiple names. I heard firecracker, I heard bang bang shrimp, I heard whole types of stuff with it. But bang bang shrimp, bro. This joint hits, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to tell you, this joint hits, but it's not gonna hit like how mine's be hitting. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to, you know what I'm saying, flex real quick. You know what I'm saying? So about this video, bro. So let me tell you about this video. You know what I'm saying? So like, I'm not talking about nothing, bro. I'm so sorry. I'm hungry. So let me just show y'all what we needing for this dish right now, son. First off, man, I want to say this dish is stupid easy, son. You know what I'm saying? So the first thing you really gonna need for your bang bang shrimp is, of course, some shrimp, bro. You know what I'm saying? So you want to make sure these babies is raw, of course, and also got the blood vein out and also peeled up and stuff like that. So, but the second thing you gonna make this shrimp really banging is some good old-fashioned buttermilk, son. You know what I mean? So like the buttermilk, man, basically this is gonna make your dish all like so. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna let it soak up in there for a few minutes. But besides that, bro, the third thing we're gonna need, bro, is some good old-fashioned cooking oil, son. So basically, bro, we're gonna need something to fry our shrimp in. So basically, I'm using canola oil because it has a good little high heat to it. You know what I'm saying? But this other guy we need, bro, it's in every dish, son. Come on, man, you should already know what it is, bro. It's some seasonings, boy. So right now, bro, we got some cayenne, chili, and chipotle powder. So besides that, bro, we also gonna need this thing right here, which is some jasmine rice, bruh. So honestly, bro, you don't have to use jasmine rice, or honestly, you don't have to use rice at all. See, the thing is with bang bang shrimp, you can use anything with it to go with it. So like you use like rice, lettuce, or anything that comes across your mind. But today, bro, we're using some rice. You know what I'm saying? But besides jasmine rice, bro, we also gonna need this spicy little thing, which is some sriracha, bro. Like, sriracha is low-key kind of hot. You know what I'm saying? This comes from someone who loves hot stuff. So basically, we just adding this to our dish to make it a little bit spicy. But besides spicy, bro, we also gonna need this to kind of balance it out, which is some honey, bro. So basically, we just pouring this on our shrimp just to give it a little sweetness to it. But besides that, bro, this next thing we're gonna use, bro, is gonna be really our secret ingredient, bro. So this thing right here, bro, is gonna turn our bang bang shrimp into some bang bang shrimp. Sorry. So like, yeah, bro, we're using some sweet and sour sauce, bro. So sweet sour sauce is basically just gonna give our dish a nice little kick, you know what I'm saying, sweet and also tangy, you know what I'm saying. So but this is how it's looking, bro. We got our shrimp, our buttermilk, our frying oil, our seasonings, our jasmine rice, our sriracha, our honey, and our secret ingredient, bro. So I hope y'all ready, bro, because like I already said, dog, I'm hungry, and I know y'all low-key hungry, or y'all about to be low-key hungry. So let's go ahead and enjoy this dish together, bro. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? You know what I'm saying? So welcome back and stuff like that. And so like the very first step is dummy easy, bro. So what we really got to do is just get our shrimp right here. You know what I'm saying? Make sure your shrimp is like deveined, peeled, and to tell everything off, because we're gonna be frying the shrimp. So like once you do that, right, we're gonna throw some seasons in here, like nice and like that. You should get everything up in there, right? Then once you season up your shrimp, you're just gonna want to mix it all up, pour some buttermilk in it, and just let that sit, because that's gonna be the nice little flavor you're gonna get for it. And so while your shrimp and stuff is just sitting in that nice little buttermilk, we're gonna make it in our sauce. And once we make our sauce, frying that bad boy up, then that's basically about it. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, like I said before, what you want to do is, man, you want to stir that shrimp up in there, you know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, you want to make sure all your seasons nice and coated up with the shrimp. See, look how sexy that thing look. So once you get your shrimp all nice and coated, bro, you want to add some honey to it, but I ran out of honey, so I had to make do with what I had, you know what I'm saying? So once you do that, bro, you want to add your buttermilk to it. You know what I'm saying? So once you add your buttermilk to it, you want to make sure you stir that thing nice. Not really stir, but mix it in really well. Make sure it gets in every shrimp. And once you do that, seal that baby up. Throw it in the refrigerator for about like 45 minutes or so. And once we do that, boy, you know it's about time for our rice, son. So like what you want to do is maybe we'll get some boiling water. If you can't get it hot, throw some salt in it, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And then stir a thing occasionally, you know what I'm saying? The rice will basically do itself. That's why I like jasmine rice. We're waiting for the rice, we're gonna start making our sauce. We're gonna throw our sweet Thai chili, our sriracha, our mayo all together, bro. And that's all you really need. So once you do that, bro, you wanna make sure you stir that thing up, boy. Stir it up until you get that. You know what I'm saying? Once you get that, bro, you know you where you need to be at. You know what I mean? And so when we get done with our sauces, the only thing left is just to fry our shrimp. So make sure you throw your shrimp in batches, bro. You don't want it all clutter up. And once you get it clutter up, it's going to stick together. It's not going to cook properly, not even. So basically, you also want to cook it at least for like 2 or 3 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like for each side. So that's about it. Welcome back, son. So we just got done doing what all we did. We got done mixing everything. We got done cooking our rice, cooking our shrimp, making our sauce. You know what I'm saying? Everything looking right. So you know, wait, I forgot. What did I always say? Oh, okay. So only thing left to do is to eat the thing, you know what I'm saying? So this is how we looking, bro. It's looking kind of right. I'm not gonna lie. I made the sauce a little too thick, so that's why it look all like mayo-y and stuff like that. But it's all good. It's all good. So hope y'all ready. So let's go and try this bad boy. And like I said before, you can either let me mix this with the sauce and the rice. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Look at that. Look at that, boy. But like I said, y'all can either use rice or like lettuce or whatever, or even you use this bang bang stuff with chicken. So I'm gonna try this thing. Bro. Oh snap, hold on. Yo, the sauce goes so good with this rice, son. Hold on. Boy, There. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh no, we only did 2 bites, but this joint hit, bro. It got a nice little kick behind it, like the sriracha, and then like the chili sauce, bro. Yo, that thing is good, boy. That thing good, son. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead. Like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff for you check out the next video. So I can take you out to the next video. Let's get it. I'm not.
You did.
Oh, I did? Oh, my fault.
What you thought you was doing?
I was just my fault, bro.
I was recording.
This shit right here for the
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were trying to record me.
No, nigga. Why would I record you, bro?
Why you smile when I said that, though?
Cause you think I'm recording you, bro. Nigga, you know
you're not recording me, but why you smiling?
I can't smile.
I'm in your way, though.
No, you good, bro.
Why you smiling?
Could you not eating, bro? What?
You had the camera at my head.
No, I didn't, bro.
Did. How you was looking at that and then put it at my head?
Because I was just being funny, bro.
All right.
What? Nigga, ain't nobody focused on you, bro.
All right, I'll eat it this way.
What? I'm not even focused on you, bro.
Focus on that, then.
All right.
Do it.
I am, nigga. Eat your food, bro.
Worry about your video.
I am, bro.
He's slick, bro. Nigga, chill, bro.
What? I'm just getting an overview, bro.
You trying to get an upper view of my head. Alright, you good. Might make me choke, nigga.
So what?
What are you doing?
I don't know, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that shit kind of fire.
You really do fuck with it?
That was fire. I ain't. What is the sauce?
What is it?
Yeah.
Like, what's in it?
Like, what is that?
It's bang bang, bro.
Man, that shit bang.
You fuck with it?
Can I get another?
Bro, go ahead, bro. Yeah, go ahead, bro.
Like,
Go ahead, bro.
And you know, for the next time in the video, we're gonna try the thing, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing this for a while, you know, we cooked for a long time, you know. You know, when I was 5 years old, my dad showed me how to cook this, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna try it, y'all. You know, you wanna get close up.
Okay. Well, let me zoom out real quick.
You know, as you see here, we got the rice right here, we got the shrimp, you know what I'm saying? We got the sauce on it, you know what I'm saying? And what we're gonna do? Eat the thing.
Hey, there we go.
That shit right in my front right there. Come closer. Here.
Oh my God, I hit it, bro. Where you fuck with it?
I ain't never had it before. That was good.